Hey guys, I've been away on the trails again, or as usual. I've been spending more and more time out there. And it's just because I love it so much. This video was requested by Crew HC and quite a few others. It's questions regarding the Notchless Ember. In particular, I believe what you guys really wanted to know is what I thought was the possible origins of this method. Honestly, I believe that first man or woman, whoever came up on this method, came up on it by accident. They were using a hand drill for drilling purposes, for utility, and they drilled into something else and then an ember formed. They were using solid. They weren't using like the stone tips that you would see those drills. They were using a solid piece for whatever reason that day, and it happened by accident. And that's how I believe, the Notchless Ember came into existence. I just think that fewer and fewer people over the years continue doing it. Someone thought to cut a notch because maybe more airflow. Who knows? I don't know. Which leads me to, I guess your next question. How did I come up on it for myself? Well, that's easy. By drilling into wood without a notch. I came upon it by accident. I suppose just like caveman or cavewoman did all those tens of thousands of years ago. It's just that I continued to practice it. And, I got to the point where I could recognize, the subtle differences in the different types of woods and species of plants that would work for it so well that I got to where I could do it quite consistently. It just requires practice. Your other question was, do I still cut notches for dust to collect? And yes, I do. And what I usually use that for is for source material. Like if I'm going to be doing an on-the-spot friction fire, I will cut a notch, or I'll just cut it out of fun or boredom. But more often than not, anymore, I just do the notchless ember when I'm sitting around practicing. I like it, but I still cut notches if you want to know. But anyway, here is something that hasn't been seen, or at least not on my channel. I've done this plant before. I've used it for the notchless method. This is honeysuckle. I'm going to demonstrate this for you guys in a few moments so you can see it. Now, that's another plant that I've used. I don't know if I have like a top 5, but this is one more that can be used. I would say probably it's so-so to use with it. More often than not, the ember forms down in the divot. I might have to drill a little longer, but it still seems to work okay for me. But I'll go ahead and get this set up, and that'll be another plant you guys can use.